Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Green World Graphics on YouTube. On today's video, we are going to be talking about how to add colors to your logos and how to add some effect on your logos on PixelLab. On our first video and second video, we have discussed about the interface of Bezier tool, and then we have talked about the vectorization aspect of Bezier tool. Please, if you haven't watched the first two videos, do well to check the description of this video to get access to the videos. So we are going to get started now. But before we proceed, please don't forget that this is Green World Graphics on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe with us. Your subscription, like, and comment are going to do us a lot of good. Thank you. As we do that, we proceed. First of all, we're going to go to our PixelLab and open it. Okay, no, cancelled. Then I'm going to go to my save files, and then this is the logo. If I got it right, I think this is where we stopped on our last video tutorial. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and then add some random background first before we proceed. Okay, then there are two things that I need to tell us here. Please, if I watched the first two videos, you can't be able to follow us in this video, so you need to go and check that first two videos first before you come back here. Okay, and then we are going to proceed now by adding colors to our logos. And this is what I always do. I always go here, I used to download color combinations on my phone. Okay, and this is one of the color combinations I have on my phones. So I'm going to go here and then make it invisible so it won't be distracting what we are doing. So I'll go here and now select this first outer line here, and then I will go to the shape tool, go to color, and then I will click on the plus icon here you are seeing here. I hope you can see that there is a plus icon here. Then I'll click on it, and then I'll click on the what is it called? Is it bucket tool again or what? So I will click on select the image I want to pick color from. All the image I have on my screen, all the vectors are all here. You can see them. So I will select the one I want to pick color from, okay, which is my color combinations. Okay, and I will select this view color. I want to pick from this line. I want to pick from this line. So any of these which I select will automatically show the color at the light top corner of the screen. Okay, you can see there is changing colors. So I'm going to select this blue color here, okay, and click OK. Then I will still go here again and select this middle one here, and I will go to my color, select the color, go here and then choose my color combinations, and I will choose yellow color. I'll select OK, and then the last one is to this one at the top, that is the center one, and I will go here because I already have the color. I'll just click on it and I'll select it. Very easy and perfect. So the next thing I need to do here is to go and then click on these two we have here, and then it will bring out these options. Then you click on this after you have selected all these three images or vector you have created, and click on that place, and then it's going to ask you if you want to merge the selected object. You said okay, I want to merge them. Now we have merged it into one object. Now we're going to select it, make it little like this, draw it a little like this, and then we're going to go to our emboss. This I said this the last time that most time people don't know how to use emboss. I don't know why. I think it's one of the simplest things to do. Okay, when you are using emboss, you're actually casting a light effect on what you actually design or your emboss or vectors. Okay, like you are seeing now, I'm moving. It's actually like this bulb is showing me where the light is being located. If you are good or fond of using Blender for your design, you discover that there is what we call the lighting, okay, on Blender. So it's just like that. If I'm moving it like this, any place the angle I place it on, it will give me that yes, the light is located on that angle. So I will place it here for the tutorial sake. And then you go to the intensity. Now here I'm going to reduce the intensity because I don't want this light to be showing much effect on this my logo, but at the same time I still want it to show some reflection. Okay, and then the ambient light or what, I don't think this have much effect. It's only make it darker and lighter, but I want to keep it this way. And then this specular hardness, and then you just okay, it's okay this way. And then the last thing that is very important is this bevel. And I don't like making this look too much like this. It's making my work so bad. As much as possible, reduce it as much as possible like this. Okay, and then you go ahead and click OK. Now we have successfully add our emboss to this. Now the next thing is to add shadow to your logo. Remember, when you're actually creating your emboss, you remember where you projected your lights. Let's go back. You see where our light is being projected, meaning that our light is actually on this side, meaning that our shadow should be here. Okay, and these are the necessary things that you need to put into consideration when you are dealing with emboss and shadows on your PixelLab. Okay, and I'm going to click on my shadows and select it. Everything is messed up. Then it's my job to arrange them. So I'm going to make sure I select black as my shadow. I'm not using colors yellow, blue. I'm selecting black because shadows are black in nature. So I'm going to reduce it, make it a little transparent, because shadows are not too dark. Okay, and then I'm going to blur it, but not too much. And then I'm going to take it to this angle and then bring it down a little. The reason why I'm taking it to this angle is because my light is projected here. Okay, and then my shadow should be here to this angle. Okay, I don't know if somebody is understanding me. Let me use this. This is where my light is coming from, so my shadow should be here as well. This is where I should see my shadows. Okay, not any other place, because my light is actually coming from this angle. And then I think with that we are going to adjust this a little, make it look this good. Okay, perfect. And then with this we are good to go. We have actually successfully created our emboss effect on this logo, and as well we have added a shadow effect on it as well, meaning that the both of them coupled each other very well. So one last thing I would like to do on this design is that I want to make it have little effect on it. Okay, by going to my shape tool and I'll select sphere, and then I'll go to color, I'll go to my gradient. Okay, I will select any gradient I want, then I will show this. I'm going to do something here. Okay, I'm going to select this white one, click on plus icon to add it, and then I'm going to select this last one here, go to color or bucket tool, reduce it to transparent, then select this last one here, go to the bucket tool, make it transparent as well. So I'm having only center color white here, but the two ends are transparent. So I'm going to bring this closer as well. Okay, now we have this. I'm going to click OK. No, it's not giving me, so sorry about that. I'm going to log this first. Go to my edit. Sorry, I'm supposed to add the colors here. I go to my gradient and then we have it. Okay, and then I click OK. I will rotate it as much as I want, reduce it or rotate it this way. Okay, now we are having something interesting, but before that there is something I want to do. I'm going to go to my eraser. I'll bring this. Okay, I'm going to erase this part. Yes, I'm erase this part as well. Okay, then select OK. This will enable me so that this won't look odd. even though I'm trying to do it, but it's still not giving me perfect answer. But anyways, this is it. So we take it this way, and then I may end up reducing it a little more. Okay, here we go. And then I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to go to the transparency or opacity, and I will reduce it a little. I will expand this. Okay, and I will reduce it. Okay, I think it's okay. And then I will take it a little here. Okay, not really more wanted. Anyways, just like this. Okay, now we have successfully got a better presentation of our logo, but there are many other ways to do this that you can actually get something better on PixelLab, but these are the few things that I need to do like for now. Okay, and then on our next videos we may be dropping on a logo vectorization. We are going to be seeing how we can actually create more vectors on PixelLab. Okay, and then I hope these 3 videos have actually helped you in your logo design project on PixelLab. Okay, if you actually enjoyed our video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this video, and then see you on my next video on this same channel. Thank you.
If you sincerely want to change your design game in the design industry, take this good step. Register for online courses. Please hosted by Didn't World Graphics on Telegram. Get started today. Get started with creativity, then you can do better. I want to see you in the class. Send an SMS or message us on WhatsApp on this flyer, on this number you can see on your flyer now to get started. Bye.